Hi, good morning. So today we have something interesting. Really excited. We took leave and come over here because we're gonna be installing Carpentry. So we waited for around 1 month, I guess, 3 weeks to 1 month, due to the current usual delay. And I'm so happy that everything is here. I think this is one of the big thing in the house that will make a really big difference. So for us, we have cabinet in the kitchen and as well as a wardrobe and a platform bed in the bedroom, and these are all of the item. Really happy about it.
da 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 da.
So yeah, look at the kitchen cabinet. We're in the midst of doing it. They already installed it, just that they didn't put in the shelving and as well as all the drawer covers, laminate, tabletop. Looking pretty nice. Just a better view of it. It's good. And our Taobao stuff got delivered. So this is gonna be a console, and these two will be sink. And there's a rubber mat that we purchased. These are all the shelving to be used later on. Heavy rain right now. Cooling temperature. Very nice. Back to installation. So it's a long day today, but our carpentry are up. The carpenter just left not too long ago. So let me take you through. See right here, this is gonna be our shoe cabinet with a bottom empty portion for us to put a sleeper, and there's gonna be a switch right at the bottom over here, so you can see the cable at the moment. The flip side, we're still missing one door, but this is gonna be our kitchen cabinet. Yeah, looks very nice. I especially love this olive green. It's smooth to the touch, and the interior is this grey sheet, and it looks really nice. So all the door actually comes with a soft close function, so you can take a look over here. So it could close softly. And our top hung cabinet. So this is where our hob and hood will be, and this is our sink, which will be our under mount sink. Here you can see there's a missing shelf. The reason is because they forgotten to actually account for switches, which is actually going to be hidden at the back over here. Then the shelf will be on top, so that when the door are closed, you are not able to see the switches, but you still can access them from underneath. So they cut it out right at the on spot, and yeah, it will be installed later on. This is one of my favorite, the coffee cabinet. So we're going to be putting a coffee machine over here, some cups, maybe a shelving, and right here it will be all like the coffee, tea, whichever it might be. Really nice. So these are not scruffle. This actually is still a protective layer on it, so keeping it on to make sure that it doesn't get damaged during the rest of the renovation. And right here, these are all the doors that's not yet installed. And if you're wondering what is this big piece of mesh, this spot right here, right in front of me, is going to be where the fish is, and the mesh is going to be on the side, so it kind of like block it or cement the area into a kitchen area. So this is our bedroom. Yeah, so right now it's really dark. We don't have any light on, so when there's a better lighting, I'm gonna show you more thoroughly. But let's try take a look as much as we can. So this is the platform bed, and there's cable for LED lighting. So many storage area, really nice. Right, and this is our wardrobe. So if you see our detailed discussion, I'll put up the link over here. They will know that this is gonna be for her, for me, and this is gonna be a shared compartment. So at the back over here is gonna be glass. At the front it will be also glass, so it's gonna be see-through over here. Yeah, again, sorry, it's really dark here, but this is the view if I'm standing at the most corner of the room looking out, and the platform is right here. So let me show you the storage space within it. Open this up for you. So you can see there's a ample storage space, and it's linked together so that we can have more area to put our stuff. So this is our mini steps. The main one is actually in front, and this area we actually put in a small little drawer, so we can put some stuff over here. Not too sure what. Nice, soft close. So this is our wardrobe. On the top is a glass drawer, and bottom there's 6 small drawers for clothing and other stuff. Yeah, so we'll be running LED strip on the inside, 2 rows, to brighten out the whole wardrobe area. This is the share cabinet, and like in our discussion we mentioned, on top is going to be drawer hanger, and the bottom part is for jeans. This is really pretty cool. You just pull it up, and you're able to hang your jeans and just push it in back. So yeah, just a little bit more work to be done in terms of the carpentry, which they will come back again. Then thereafter, we are probably looking forward for mount steel, plumbing, electrical again, and probably painting again. Yeah. Alright, this is it for this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. Do remember to subscribe to us if you would like to stay tuned to our content. So, thanks for watching. Cheers.